How to copy your Etoro profile account link. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your profile link in easy fast way on Etoro app. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go to the top corner on those three lines and after that go to your profile and now choose this icon here in the top corner and here you go. Now you can get the shareable link just from here and copy it like this, and the link is copied to your clipboard. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.